guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show my new project which is fully made on Feauture. Okay, you may know Feauture is the best platform to making Android apps, and in this app you can see a slider which is used for cool design, and there is wallet system, and you can find 4 column of product like UID top-up, in-game top-up, others, PUBG, and a support system contacts us on WhatsApp. Okay, there are everything is cool UI, and when you click the water face then it's look like this. So awesome and awesome design. Okay, in the you can check the bottom navigation menu which is below bottom navigation menu, and when you click the wallet there are the add money option and there are transaction history. When you click the add money, that you can find the payment phase. There are Bcash number, Nagad number, Rocket number, but this payment is manually used for Bangladesh payment. But you are from another countries like India's and another countries like India, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, then you can use here Paytm, UPI and more payment gateway. Okay, for payment you first need to select your payment method. Like I select Bcash, and here enter amount which you sent, like okay, and here enter your payment transaction ID. When you complete payment on our payment address, that you will get a transaction ID look like this, 8 words. Okay, then after that submit payment and yes, verify. After verify you can check the payment was pending here, I mean processing. Okay, this is the payment phase. Now we are checking the order phase. This also checks, check this and payment phase. And when you click here, that you can see the announcement phase. That is so cool. When you click the announcement, that it open in big screen. Okay, now time to let's show you the product phase. Okay, when you click the UID top-up, then you can see many products, but all are added from online. So you can add unlimited product like 1000, 2000, and if your database is strong, that you can use 1 lakh, 2 lakh product, no problem. Okay, that's all product are from online. What I am showing this method. When you open the admin panel, then use login key for accessing admin, and add item fake one. Wait just a minute, I want to add something in Feauture PUBG. Okay, there was only one product. Like any image like this, no sorry, wait, like this, and add a price like 1000, and item name demo UID. I write any item name and click upload. When we click upload, that needs few seconds to upload it. Okay, this is added. Check the bottom bar, there show it, this is added. After added, when we open the apps, wait, this is again restart. When we open the app, then we check again PUBG. There was new product added like this. The image is not showing. Oh, already show it. Like this, there was price 1000 BDT demo UID. When we click the buy, then we directly go into the payment phase. It is UID payment phase. That is so cool and awesome. Check this. You here your player ID and I mean in-game details, not in-game UID details, and your name and mobile number for your confirmation. The mobile number need for some time if there was something error. When you complete our order, then you can check the order on this order phase like this, demo ID processing 1000, price 1000. Okay, and this is all over. I hope you would like my videos. If you like these videos, then please like and subscribe, and share this project, I mean share this video to your friends to help her. Okay, bye for today, see you another time.